Right now, Ghana, fuel prices there like 18 cedi, dollar there like 15 cedi. But I want to ask you one question. Is it possible for you to make 5,000 Ghana cedis as an average Ghanaian or an unemployed Ghanaian every single month? So in this video, what I want to do is I want to prove to you that it is possible for you to make 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month in this current Ghana. Things are hard, but it's possible. For you to make 5,000 Ghana cedis, you need to divide the money for you to understand how much you are supposed to make every single day. For you to be able to make 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month. So first of all, how many weeks are in a month? 4. Divide the 4 by 5,000 Ghana cedis. How much do you get? You get what? 1,250 Ghana cedis. Meaning every week you are supposed to make how much? 1,250 Ghana cedis. Now we know how much you have to make every single week for us to make 5,000 Ghana cedis. See, for you to make 5,000 again, you work every single day. There is no day that will rest. If you are unemployed, you don't have money, and you are looking for a way to make 50 million Ghana cedis, 50,000, people go on here. I forget. 5,000 Ghana cedis every single day. You cannot rest. You cannot sleep any single day. So what do? How many days are in a week? 7. So now let's divide the 7 by the 1,250 for us to see how much money we are supposed to make once every single day. You see the video you watch right now? It's proudly sponsored by Bit Africa. You can trade your BTC on Bit Africa. You can fit buy BTC with Momo Sep. Download Bit Africa right now. Continue watching the video. So divide 7 by 1,200 cedis. How much do you? 1,250. How much do you get? You are going to get 179 Ghana cedis. Let's run it up. Decimal point. The time you were going to school, they teach you decimal. So you run it. And let's say we are supposed to get what? 180 cedis every single day. So now that we've established all this, meaning for you to be able to make 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month, you need to make what? 180 Ghana cedis every single day. Now, the question is, how do you do it? So for you to make this 180 Ghana cedis every single day, you need to find a product or a service or a source of revenue that is going to give you 180 Ghana cedis every single day. For you to make what? That 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month. For you to live what? Comfortably in this Ghana. But we need to break it down into smaller sections for us to see how much money we can make. So let's break this thing down into 3. So now we are going to divide the 3 by the 180 Ghana cedis. So the 3 divided by 180 Ghana cedis is about 60 Ghana cedis. The reason why I say 60 Ghana cedis, we are now going to find a product, a service, and a source of passive income that can allow us to generate that 5,000 Ghana cedis every month. Which means the product is supposed to get to what? 60 Ghana cedis every single day in profit. The service is supposed to give you another 60 Ghana cedis every day in profit, and then the passive income is also supposed to give you every 60 Ghana cedis every single day in profit. I hope I'm making some sense. Are you jotting down the note? So now the first one, product. We've established that you need a product, a service, or passive income. We need all 3 to make 60 for you to make how much? 180 cedis every single day for you to make 5,000 Ghana cedis every single month. So number 1, product. For you to know the kind of product you have to sell, you even have to know the kind of products we have. We have necessities. This is what you call convenience goods. Water, food. These things people buy all the time. Then we have shopping goods, clothes, cars. This you need to market it more for people to buy. But when it comes to convenience goods and like necessities like water and food, no matter what they do, they'll buy. And then we have specialized goods, like somebody selling like iPhone. Whenever you want to buy iPhone, what do you think? You don't think of the alternative. iPhone has been able to develop their brand to the extent that whenever you want to buy a phone, especially iPhone, you do not think of any other alternative. So people selling that kind of goods are in the position of making that 60 Ghana cedis every single day. See, there's a possibility of you even making more. You understand? But I just want to break it down as somebody who is now coming and thinking of how to make 5,000 Ghana cedis every single day. Then the final one, unsorted goods. I am giving you the category of products for you to understand how to make that 60 cedis every single day from selling product. You understand? So the third one is unsorted goods. Something like doing Momo, something like selling light. You go to ECG, you bring their light to your area, you come and sell it. Because people say they won't buy light. They cannot say they won't buy light. Come and take one machine. They will buy. So at this moment, I've been able to give you the categorization of how products are being chosen so that you can make your 60 Ghana cedis every single day. So now, after you've been able to get your product, now you need to provide a service. See, that thing is difficult. If it was easy, everybody will do it. Let's go on. So provide a service. Let me tell you a story. There is this man comes to my house to do my locks for me. The man charges like 120 cedis. 120 cedis for whenever he does my lock. When it comes to do the lock, he does it very nicely. And then you put some small oil in some small bottle. When it comes, tell me the oil is 30 Ghana cedis. The oil, when I use it 3 days, no, then the oil finish. But what I want you to understand is what the man provided a service and he charges 120 Ghana cedis. He doesn't have a car, it works. So when he's going home, he has already made 126. He has sold another product for me at what? 30 Ghana cedis, and I know the profit margin on that product will be like 20 cedis or 15 cedis. At that moment, he has been able to solve the product issue and then solve the service issue. What I think he should have done was he should have recorded the process of doing hair and use this as content and then put it on YouTube or social media. That is going to generate him more jobs. At the same time, if that video goes viral on YouTube, that is passive income for him as well. I hope you understand. So at the end of the day, for you to provide a service, you need to have a skill. That is what is important. You can be a freelancer, a web designer. All you need to do is to have a skill for you to be able to generate that 60 Ghana cedis every single day. When it comes to passive income, there are so many ways of passive income. Before I already spoken about it, you can create a YouTube channel, put videos there that can generate you money even when you are sleeping. There's cryptocurrency. You need to use Bitafrica. No matter what you do, Bitafrica is a Ghanaian. You can deposit crypto using Momo when you use Bitafrica. You understand? That's another form of passive income. You can have digital products. So having passive income will greatly depend on how successful you are when you are selling your product, providing your services. Let me tell you why. The reason is for you to sell products, you need to understand who you are selling to. You need to understand the kind of products you need to sell. And then for you to provide a service, you need to learn a skill. So if you do not have a skill, forget about the services. You need to learn a skill for you to be able to provide the services. That is going to make you what? Sister. Let's still establish that point that we still want to make sister Ghana cedis. Then the last one, the passive income. Now the money you generate from your products and your services, then you invest it in your passive income. You understand? So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to tell you, it is possible for you to make 5,000 Ghana cedis as a Ghanaian in this current Ghana. All you need to do is to have the right information. Accra day for using why.